Hello mga kabest! This is Chris, your KUYA PANDISOY, and welcome to my channel. Always believe na unique ka dahil the best in the world ka. Today, may bago na naman akong ibabahagi sa inyo na pwede mong ihanda sa iyong pamilya at pwede mo rin pagkakitaan. Tipid tips at di kailangan gumastos ng mahal para may masarap na may handa sa iyong pamilya. Today, ibabahagi ko sa inyo ang paboritong panghimagas ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino, ang Pinoy ice cream. Ituturo ko sa inyo step by step paano gumawa ng mango avocado ice cream. Tipid at kayang-kaya mong gawin sa iyong tahanan. Kaya tutok na! At kung bago ka sa channel ko, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo para sa mga upcoming videos. And stay tuned for the actual procedure. Alright! Ayan! Welcome mga kabest! Handa na ba kayong matuto paano gumawa ng special mango avocado ice cream? Kaya tutok na! Ito po yung kumpletong sangkap na ating gagamitin para sa ating special mango avocado ice cream. Unang-una, gumagamit tayo ng avocado. Ito rin po ang ating mango or ating mangga. And then gumagamit din po ako ng evaporated milk. Yan yung ating evap. And then, nakapag-chilled na po ko overnight. Kailangan chilled overnight po ang ating all-purpose cream. Ayan. Okay? And then, gumagamit din ako ng condensed milk. Yan, this is also chilled overnight yung ating condensed milk. Alright? Yan po ang mga kompletong sangkap na ating gagamitin para sa ating special mango avocado ice cream. Kaya, tutok na, tipid at masarap na panghimagas para sa buong pamilya na kayang-kaya mong gawin sa iyong tahanan. Yung ating flavoring, you could easily change it anything that you like. Okay? Alright? Para sa full list of ingredients, you could also check the description down below. Alright, okay, and stay tuned for the actual procedure. Alrighty, see ya! First ating gagawin is ating ilagay sa ating blender ang ating mango. Ayan. And then, idadagdag natin ang ating avocado. Right. And then automatically we just add on also our milk. Okay. Then we just cover our blender. And then we just blend. Yeah. Let's check. Okay. We just do it one more time. All right. Okay. Yan. And then, using our handheld mixer, ilagay natin ang ating 2 cans of chilled all-purpose cream. Okay. Then, using ating handheld mixer, yan, ating mixer. I-mix lang natin hanggang sa mag-double size siya. Okay, and then we slowly add our condensed milk. Okay. chilled din ito, chilled na condensed milk. Chilled overnight. Right, and then we just mix it up. We will add to the mixture our flavor. Okay. And we'll just mix it up. Okay. Next, isunod natin, ilagay natin yung ating nag-slice ako ng mga mangga. Yan. Okay. Just to add color. And mas maganda, mas masarap kainin pagka may mga flavor na nahihahalo. Yan. Then just like that. Okay, and then I will put in sa aking mga lagayan. Right. Right. Lalagay ko lang siya sa aking mga lagayan. Then, depende po yan sa inyo kung saan nyo ilalagay. Need to cover and then put it at the fridge. Okay. Alright, after 6 hours of waiting, I cannot wait to taste it. Let's check on our special mango avocado ice cream. Wow, looks yummy. I cannot wait to try it. Okay, titikman na po natin mga kabest ang ating special mango avocado ice cream. Look at that! Wow! Alright, come on, join me. Titikman natin ang ating ginawang special mango avocado ice cream. Again, pwede nyo po maggawa ng ibang flavor. Ayan, using the same procedure. Alright, okay. Ayan, kukuha lang ako ng aking teaspoon and then titikman ko ang ating nagawang special mango avocado ice cream. Ayan. Wow. Yes. Alright. Tama lang ang tamis. And then, swak na swak sa panlasang Pinoy. The best in the world. Alright, you must try this at home. Okay? Yes. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you get something out from this video guide, and I hope to see you again in my next video. And please do not forget to like, comment, and share. Alright? I hope to hear from you soon. I love you. Bye!